Allah deserves all praise and gratitude. He is the master of all creatures and takes care of them. He is most merciful. His mercy is strong and vast. His bounties and favors are eternal. His dominion and kingship will be manifest on the day of reward and punishment for actions. O Allah! We worship and serve only you and seek help only from you, O Allah. Show us the straight way, guide us to it, enable us to follow it, and grant us constancy, and let us always remain on it.
The way of those who enjoyed your blessings and favors, the way of the messengers, the truthful ones, the martyrs and the pious, not of those who were denied thus and who incurred your wrath. Save us against the ways of the misguided Jews and those who follow their doctrines and action, and know the way of those who are in error, as the misguided Christians and those who are in similar error. Save us against their thought and conduct. Ameen.